YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. And notice my channel, Mr. at your beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, make sure I don't get hit by traffic. All the above. All right, we downtown. This is actually a second vid to something else, but since we downtown, we might as well check out the Nike store, see what's not in there. You know what I'm saying? A lack thereof. But yeah, we're gonna fall up in there, and you already know, man. We're gonna discuss something. We're definitely gonna discuss the sneak. Word. But anyway, man, let me fall up in here right quick. See you when I see you in a second. Hope I don't disappoint. Word.
Came up from the ground up. Came up from the ground up. I came up from the ground up, flooded the rollie with diamonds. Bitches calling me your highness, and I'm smoking on the finest. Got the steel tucked in my bell, man. Man, I'm really with the foul play. Pull up and I knock you down, man. I remember I was down, man. I was fucked up, I was down away. I'm trying to get paper, rocking these runners I call them good razors. I got my bag up, I swear that pussy was something I never would pay for. But bring your ass over, baby, come over right on this waveboard. I'm so reserved for popping them perkies, lurking, rolling the purple. I'm over Zan, she fucking with me, I thought that she wanted my man. She popping that pussy, we lit it again. I said we lit it again, lit it again. I swear that we lit it again. I said we lit it again, lit it again. Yo, I came up from the ground up, flooded the rollie with diamonds. Bitches calling me your highness, and I'm smoking on the finest. Got the steel tucked in my bell, man. Man, I'm really with the foul play. Pull up and I knock you down, man. I remember I was down, man. I came up from the ground up, flooded the rollie with diamonds. Bitches calling me your highness, and I'm smoking on the finest. Got the steel tucked in my bell, man. Man, I'm really with the foul play. Pull up and I knock you down, man. I remember I was down, man.
Now they see a nigga shining. I remember I was grinding. Never folded under pressure, baby, cause the pressure turned into a diamond. 3 bowls of the finest. You buy the 8, you get the diamond. I caught the bleeder like a golf pack. Saquon, I'm a giant. He won't believe you till you fry him. No games like a bye week, that's for anybody and they mama. Draco sound just like designer. Shells flying in the living room, hit the kitchen cabinets and counters. You get the picture like it's signage. See the difference in my timing. I remember I was crying, devastated about them losses, but that shit turned into a boss kid. I keep chasing money till exhaustion. Slow money ain't no money, and fast money is cautious. No wins like the Dolphins, all space that's a Boston.
Yo, I came up from the ground up, flooded the rollie with diamonds. Bitches calling me your highness, and I'm smoking on the finest. Got the steel tucked in my bell, man. Man, I'm really with the foul play. Pull up and I knock you down, man. I remember I was down, man. I came up from the ground up, flooded the rollie with diamonds. Bitches calling me your highness, and I'm smoking on the finest. Got the steel tucked in my bell, man. Man, I'm really with the foul play. Pull up and I knock you down, man. I remember I was down, man. Watch for the neighbors.
All right, fresh up out of there. A week later. Well, almost a week. Today's Friday. So anyway, yeah, fresh up out of there. You know, Nike store is a Nike store. Nothing really out there making me really want to cop. Speaking of copping, just waiting for my confirmation on the FLX app. Yeah, FLX or Champs. Jordan 9s. Now, yes, I definitely had to change the heart on the off gate. I am going to try for the Foot Locker joint. I don't care if they don't sell out. I want them, and I want them now. I don't want to wait, you know what I'm saying, just to save 30 bucks. I get it back. But yeah, so that's that. Who's going after them joints? Well, by the time this video hits, this will be tomorrow. Let me know if y'all hit on them joints or y'all chilling. All right, let's talk about a sneak. Foamposite 1 Coppers. They're slated to come back when Holiday 2024. Yo, Holiday 2024 is gonna be, it's gonna be nuts. Unless you pause if you have to. Unless you got any type of resistance or cool about yourself. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna be spending. Me, my focus on, well, I got one focus on Holiday, and then after that, yeah, we do the sneaker thing. But will I cop? I don't know. It depends on how the Foamposite market is looking. And when I say the market, depends on how many drops come out in 2024. Am I excited about the Coppers coming back? No, because they just came back, when was this? Like 2017, 2018? Either from 2017 to 2019, them joints came back out. Matter of fact, I still got my pair. So if everything's the same, I'll probably know. Let me know. Are y'all copping these joints? Y'all hype for them or what? Will these sell out? Don't like to get into it, but it seems like I always get into it, even though I say I don't like to get into it. But anyway, will they sell out? If it's a limited release like the eggplants, oh yeah, they're out of here. And I'm still kicking myself about those eggplants. Pause if you have to on eggplants. But yeah, definitely kicking myself. Anybody got a size 10? Pause if you have to. Let me know. I definitely wouldn't mind copping that pair now. They looking fly. Even though I still got my pair that I've only rocked once, That's a fly pair. Do I put the coppers in my top 5? No, not even on top 5 ones. Top 5 ones? No, I don't think so. I know not top 3, but no, never mind. No, definitely not. I still feel Nike needs to go in a better direction with these Foamposite paws if you have to on the field. But yeah, no, definitely. Now I did see that the Foamposite Royals are gonna be dropping in August. That's for sure. I'm copping them joints, word. I'm copping. We need a pearl. What else? Cast is scream. Well, I mean, it's all up to taste, really. Pause if you have to. We need these. Sorry if y'all can't see because of the green screen, but yeah, we definitely need these joints again. We need the real electric blues to drop. I've already said the pearls. I think that I would be super hyped if I saw the pearls drop again. That's probably like my #1 wish, that those would drop. And then while we're at it, you know, let's bring these back out, you know what I'm saying? Bring the pine green back out, bring the gem green back out. Man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but no more no reverse hyena. We definitely do not want to see reverse hyena. Now I'm starting to see a lot of pictures circulate with the Total Air Foamposite Max. Now these are bootleg joints, but it's giving me hope that possibly Nike might come out with these. And I'm not really hype about these new upgraded 2024 pair now. I ain't tripping on those. But anyway, now, sad news. I remember last year I was hyped because they said that Galaxies was gonna come back out again. Yeah, first Z Sneakerheads. I've seen Z Sneakerheads say nope. I trust them. I've heard more news on these and it doesn't look like they'll be coming out. Pop my balloon, pause if you have to, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I won't go back and purchase a 2012 Foamposite at all. You know me, with my track record, no sir. I got about 30 minutes and we'll see if I hit on these damn joints, man. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna finish this video. We'll see if I hit on these joints. Then I'll be hyped, or either I'm gonna be hyped or I'm gonna be very pissed off. Be back in a second. Ow. That was short-lived. Good news on 2 fronts. I thought I left my damn charger for my laptop at the JO, so don't have to go back there. Cool. And right when I turned off the camera, I went on the Foot Locker app. I already hit on them joints, so I will be picking mine up tomorrow, and I'm kind of hyped. These are gonna be super easy. There was no like, oh, like we gotta refresh and yo, there's what is it? Error 007.86. You know, none of that bullshit. So these should be pretty easy to cop. Let me know, did y'all hit on these joints? Are y'all copping or y'all just gonna wait? Whatever you choose, it's all respect. I'm just hyped that I finally got this UNC joint that I wanted ever since I was a kid. So hell yeah. Why didn't I cop 20 when they dropped the last 2012 or 2013? I don't know. I probably just wasn't in the mix or something like that. If it was 2012, I was in Afghanistan, so that was that. I don't know. But yeah, but if it was 2013, anything before August, still same thing. I was, you know, but whatever. Got them now. I do, however, wish that they came with the 23 on the back, though. That's the only thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. But anyway, what's coming up next? This weekend, well, I'm going to do the on foot, top 5 best on foot. You already? I do want to go out and vlog. It's just tomorrow's supposed to be raining all damn day. I hate when the Saturdays are washed like this, but I don't know. Shout out to anybody from that last video. Oh, I did get a chance to try out that. Well, you already know I did spray it on my hand, but I took a proper shower and got one spray of the Imagination. Hey, that shit was lasting. Like I say to like the afternoon, early afternoon. Let's say about 2 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? But I was like, all right, can't wait to definitely test that out. Still, like I'm on the fence now about Green Irish Tweed since a couple of y'all have given me some other pointers. Pause. But you know, it is what it is. But you know me, I'm always searching for a fragrance. But as far as any hot weather joints, I think I already got mine for my vacay. Hopefully, you know, it clears up and I can go grab some eats or something and do some type of vlog. But if not, you know, it is what it is, man. I want to shout out the Wave Mob, everybody that's been rocking me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.